Hi, my name is Woodring with L.E.W. Inc. This little fellow behind me here is what they call a Weedoo boat. My wife proudly named it Bumblebee. Well, I guess you can imagine why. What it's designed to do is to remove aquatic vegetation from your lakes, retention areas, rivers, canals, to help maintain the stability of the fish. What essentially happens, because people have been spraying for so long, all the vegetation goes to the bottom and it rots. And then eventually it just kills your lake, it kills your canal, it kills it because it robs the fish of oxygen. They don't have a place to bed or anything. So what we do is after that, after we remove the aquatic vegetation, we come in with a dredge and we can dredge your lake, river, canal, whatever it is, we dredge it to a sandy bottom. Therefore restoring the oxygen and everything so that the fish can continue to breed. Then if you have any bank restoration work that needs to be done while we're pumping it out of your waterway, we can pump it right into a silt bag, and that silt bag will catch all the debris and sand and stuff, and then it'll restore your whole bank, and then we just put sod right on top of it.